Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Glamadicto. You all know. Okay guys, please don't forget to click the subscription button, share and like this video, and leave a comment down below. Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this color by bleaching. So if you want to see it, stay tuned. So guys, first of all, I got my gloves, my brush, and my mixing bowl. Yeah, that's my mixing bowl, and that's what you need. And you need your developer, but in this video I'm using my 14 volume developer and bleach. Yeah guys, this is the old wig I'm going to be coloring and revamping. Pour in your bleach first of all, then you go in with your developer. Then you mix this very well guys. When you're mixing, just take your time, do not rush it, and be very careful. If it's still thick, you can pour in your developer. You just have to be doing this bit by bit till you get it right. So guys, I'm going to be coloring right now. You can see what I'm doing. I know I didn't take off the band, but if you're actually a beginner, it's your first time trying to bleach a hair, you have to take off that band and spread it very well, or just place it on anything and just so you can get everything. As you can see guys, I took off some piece of hair and sent it to the back because I don't actually want all of it to be bleached. I just wanted some black to be left in there. I'm just going to spread it all out so I can get every bit of that hair, every strand. I'm going to get it by spreading it and making sure my brush goes in and gets them all. So guys, after leaving it for some time and some minutes, it just depends on what you want. When you're bleaching, one thing I like when I'm bleaching is that I get to see when the color I want is coming up, and I'll just have to wash it out then. So that's the only thing about bleaching, except you cover it maybe with a foil or something, but I didn't cover mine, so I was able to see it when it got to the color I wanted. So guys, as you can see, I just got in here with my purple shampoo. I'm using it to wash the hair. So I'm done washing with the purple shampoo. I'm going to revamp it by using my silicone mix. Guys, this silicone mix is just the best. I love using silicone mix to revamp my hair because it gives me the right texture I want. Like, it gives me what I really want. I use the silicone mix for my clients, I use it for myself, and I would recommend the silicone mix, guys. You can get this in your supermarket, your hair store, any shop at all that deals on maybe hair products and all that. So guys, I recommend this silicone mix because it works perfectly. So I'm going to be using this for mine. As you can see, I'm going to let it sit for some hours. Some people let theirs sit for some minutes, some hours, but I let mine sit for some hours. Sometimes even the next day, depends. I just put it inside a bag. As you can see, I'm putting it inside a bag, and I will just get a zip bag or any bag at all and just let it sit. After that particular moment or time or hour you decide to let it sit, you just bring it out, wash it, and even before you start washing it, just touch it. Even by feeling it, you're going to see that this silicone mix is so powerful. Like, it works like magic. You're going to see that it's going to give you that perfect texture you want. Your hair is going to feel like it's brand new. Trust me, guys. I highly recommend the silicone mix for you guys. You can try it. Wow, it feels so nice in my hands, guys. You can see it's just so soft, guys. So soft. So after rinsing it all out, I'm going to be going in with my revitalizing shampoo. I'm going to be going in with this revitalizing shampoo. This shampoo works so well. It works so well. I'm going to be using it in washing this hair, and it's going to be giving me a very rich texture, guys. While washing this, as you can see, I'm not really going in or like going so hard on it. I'm just doing it gently. Like, you just have to be very careful while washing your hair after revamping. I'm going in with the conditioner, and when I'm done using the conditioner, you guys are going to see. I'm done using the conditioner, and I will let it sit for some minutes. So guys, yeah, I'm going to rinse out the conditioner. Oh my god, guys, this feels so soft. Like, I just love this product I use. It's so soft. So guys, this is the hair and this is how it looks. Thank you.